Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Svetlana Vanderborn. It is so nice to finally get my channel up and running. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we are going to be reviewing, oh, I was so excited about this. We're going to be reviewing the new Fenty Beauty Brow MVP Eyebrow Pencil. I just had to do this for the sake of all of us ginges out there, my brothers and sisters out there, where it's like, finally, I can't thank you enough, Rihanna and Fenty Beauty, for actually making us redheads a freaking brow pencil. Seems like everywhere it's like, look at our new brow pencils, look at our new this, and it's like every freaking shade except for us redheads. And then we're like, hey, what about us, you know? So thank you, Rihanna, thank you so much. So I am gonna be reviewing the soft red pencil. So if you guys wanna check it out, hang out with me. I might babble, it's my first video, but you know, stay tuned and we're gonna see how this goes, all right? Come on. Alrighty now, so let's go crack her open. So of course, I love their packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. So let's go and get this here. Come on, ooh, look at that. My first time looking at this. Nice and sleek. I love it. It looks so good. Crack her open there. Ooh, look at that little retractable. It's nice, nice. All right, so as you can see, I've done my entire face for today, except for my brows. It was kind of hard to tell myself not to do my brows, you know, force a habit. So, but we are going to just get right in and do this. Normally, I would go in with more of a taupe brow pencil to start, just because my brows are naturally more of a taupey color than red like my hair. So I'll kind of fill it in and then mix red in it so it looks a little bit more natural. But, you know, let's just go in straight from the tube, straight from this, and that's also, oh, the brush on the end. Ah, it's so cute. Let's see. It's so soft. It's so soft. Look at that. Oh, I love it. I love it. Let's see. We gotta do a little swatch here. Let's do it. Let's do a little swatch. Oh my God, you guys. Super like light and feathery. Super natural. This is great. Super natural. But no, you can like, oh, a little blush up. Sorry. First timer. I'm just gonna blend it and brush it. I might have to go in with my taupe pencil. I'm not sure, but I love the soft red. So let's give it a whirl, all right? So as you can see, which brow is it? It's funny when you can easily tell on camera. I have my own brow that kind of sits a little lower. It's natural, like everybody pretty much has it, but I have a couple of little tricks to kind of even them out a bit. So, but let's go ahead. Actually, let's go ahead and get my little, you know, doodad lash brush. Kind of call it the doodad. I like to brush this brow up like this. So it really brings the eye up instead of kind of more down. So just kind of give this another little brush. So I'm trying to make sure my mirror's out of frame and not covering, you know, my freaking face. Good. All right, let's try her out. Okay, so normally ooh, you guys. Oh, this is so good. Look at this. Okay. Need to be talking more. I'm sorry, I'm usually quiet, more quiet when I do my makeup. So normally if I'm listening to music. This is really cool. This is amazing. Super lightweight strokes. It looks super natural. It looks great. I'm just doing really light strokes to fill in just the spaces that I need, because there are certain spots of my brows that are a little bit, you know, thicker, darker, you know, it's just how the hair naturally grows in. So I'm just filling in just the spots that need it. Oh, and another little trick here. So if you want to make your brows not too close together, what I do, old school trick, you know, you kind of take your pencil or whatever and you just kind of, you know, go alongside your nose and then you kind of mark right there. So you literally, you don't put it here on the outside of your nostril, be about right here, you know, with the bridge of your nose and just kind of And then that gives you a little marker as to where you want your brows to end. I would say if your eyes are a little farther apart, I would suggest bringing it in just a little bit more. And then if they're too close together, and then if your eyes are too close together, you'd want to spread it out a bit. So, trick that I like to do with this is, since this brow sits a little bit lower than my other brow here, what I will do is I will take my pencil here and I will actually draw, kind of just draw in little hairs just right above the brow here. See, just go right around. Oh, see, it's starting to balance everything out now. Nice little brush-like strokes here. Oh, that looks good. It's looking good so far. It's funny how when you do this stuff on camera, in real life, and then you see it on camera, like, oh, it's a little bit, it could go for a little bit more. But I might have to go in and just fill it out a little bit more. It's nice. I love this. This is actually like buildable coverage. This is great. Looking good. I love it. Let's see. It's we're gonna try the little brush out here. Let's try it out. Let's do this. Nice. Oh, this is great. So you can see the difference here. I might go in actually with my taupe. I wasn't sure if I would need it, but I think I'm gonna go in with my taupe pencil a bit just to kind of even it out. So let's get this on going here. I'll take my little doodad brush again. Just kind of brush that through. That's looking good. Looking good. Of course I forget Q-tips. It's okay. It's cool. It's all cool. I need to stop. I'm so used to like doing this, Sorry. I'm just so used to doing it, you're doing your makeup in front and you're just kind of like in front of yourself and the mirror and you're just, I'm not used to doing it on camera. It's super feathery, super lightweight, super natural. I might try one of the other shades of red. I wanted to go more for a softer look, so instead of the true red, I think the true red was more like my hair color, but I didn't want like too dark of brows. So I thought, let's try the soft red, I want something a little softer, Nice. Okay, let's finish it off with some brow gel now. Looks good, looks good. And I'm trying to brush as much of the brow hairs up as I can just so I can, lift that eye up some more because, yeah. So, all right, looking good so far. All right, and now I gotta show you the trick I do with the other brow just so I, to even them out in terms of like, so one's not like this. I'm actually gonna go in, let's try it this way. I'm gonna use my taupe pencil first and fill in all the blank spaces, all the spaces that need it. And then we'll put in the red. So let me just get here and do this real quick. Fill this part in, oh, sorry. I'm gonna actually, what I do with this brow, since this brow sits a little bit higher than this one here, what I like to do is I will actually, draw in my little hairs, so to speak, right below, and I don't put anything on the top of the brow. So I don't fill in, I don't go above here because then it'll be offset. So I'll go in and I'll fill in just a little bit underneath the brow. And then in the end, it really does balance out the brow. Definitely the way to go is my taupe pencil. That's just me, we're all special in our own little ways. Looking good, looking very, very good. Sorry. Oh, such an old song, love that video. Oh. I need to watch that video again. It's Block B, if you haven't heard of that. Very, very good. So good. Cool music video. I love it. So let's go in again with our handy dandy. Oh, man. Remember that? You guys remember Blue's Clues? I know some of you might be a little too young to remember Blue's Clues, like, but when it first came out, it was like, oh yeah, this is definitely the way to do it for me. You know, we all have our own little tips and tricks that work specifically for us and may not work for others, but what I find this is perfect, is to go in with my little taupe pencil here, and then to fill in with the Brow MVP brush, and it looks really, it's looking really good. It's really natural, really good. Definitely wanted to try that out. Where with this brow, just using the straight product itself, and then see how it turns out. And then on the side, it's like, well, let's try using my little taupey taupe pencil. And I'll do another video where I'll do my entire routine so you guys can see I'm doing my entire face. You know, name all the products I use and everything. I love this. Yeah, that's the way to do it. So happy with this. It looks so good. Can't help it. It just looks so good. All right, just finishing up. I think that's looking pretty good. Definitely way to do it. I love this. Good job, Fenty. Good job. All right, now let's finish off with, I shouldn't say finish off, one of the last steps. You know, again, a little brow gel. We all love a brow gel. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Crazy. It's funny because this, you know, the brow pencil has just been on my tables for so long, and I was like, no, don't use it. Don't use it. You gotta save it for the video. It's this perfect chance to do this. Just save it for the video. All right. Take a little, you know, gonna highlight a little bit. So just a little kiss. I just like to go a little, God, I remember in the old days, well, not that long ago, maybe like 10 years ago, it seemed like everybody was like, I'm gonna do like a big, it's like you just want a little kiss. Right where the light naturally hits. So it just really just brings the brow up even more, especially when you put it right in the arch, right there. And it definitely lifts the brow. And I love this. It just mimics my natural highlight as well. Alrighty. All right. Brows look good. Everything else is done. I'm gonna go take my hair out of this bun and be right back. All right, guys, that is the final look. Got my hair out. I must say I am super, super happy. I'm in love. I love this. The Brow MVP Fenty Beauty. Seriously, my fellow ginger brothers and sisters out there, go pick this up. They come in several shades for redheads. Was it 3 or 4 shades for redheads? So check them out. I definitely would recommend this, especially since there's like no other brow products on the market for us redheads in the mainstream. So definitely pick this up, Fenty Beauty. You'll love it. Thank you again, Fenty Beauty. And thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, you know, welcoming me to the community. I'm super thrilled. I'm super happy to be here. I'm going to be posting weekly videos for you guys. We're doing all sorts of looks, chronicling all sorts of things. And it's going to be so much fun. So thank you so much. I will see you guys very soon. And I'll talk to you later, okay?